Hey, welcome back. I know it's been a little while, but today we are reviewing the two-shot explosive laser rifle, which I am very happy to get my hands on. Finally got rid of that stupid bloodied one I had. Yeah, I already had a two-shot one, but then I traded for a bloodied one, and I traded back because I don't want that. Uh, what's the range on the? Oh, I thought. Okay. So here it is. But do I have the skills on for it though? Okay, I sure do. We'll start off in strong back 3, master commando, tank killer, commando, expert commando. Oh, reflector shouldn't be there. But since I can't find anything else better to fit that spot. Actually, you know what? Okay, hold on. I do know what I can fit that spot. Uh, and you're gonna grab glow sight 1 or whatever the fuck. Okay, and then for endurance, oh my god. Well, since this isn't bloodied, I guess you could do ironclad and antimatter skeleton. Oh, I really need to get this together. This does not look good. Okay. Bodyguard, then tenderizer. Wait, am I doing bloodied? Oh my fucking god, I am doing bloodied. I'm so stupid. Okay, so this all makes sense then. Okay, and Nerd Rage, Demolition Expert, Gunslinger, Action Boy, Gun Fu, Adrenaline, Bloody Mess, Better Crits, Look at the Draw, and Crit Savvy. For my legendary perks, they are Perception 2, Follow Through 3, Endurance 2, and Agility 2. Yes. Okay. And am I running any or all mutations? Fuck, I forgot. Okay, I'm running like one mutation that I shouldn't be. And I have no stim packs. This should be grand. So I actually moved. I'm still in Nova Scotia, but I actually moved to Halifax maybe a month ago now. But yesterday was the anniversary of moving to Nova Scotia, which I hate with a passion. I don't want to be here under any circumstance. But yeah, that's the problem back there. That pesky sun. So we're at the White Springs Golf Course. It's right here. Give you a second to look at that. Alright. Oh, hell yeah, cans. Oh, shit. Oh, I thought I was over encumbered for a second. So this is actually my very first Legacy review. I'm pretty proud of that. Pretty happy. Oh yeah, that harpoon gun. I actually got scammed. Alpha. Oh. I did get scammed off that harpoon gun, sadly. Oh, that was such a long time ago. I was supposed to make a video on that, but I never did. Because I'm rad and I'm forgetful. And, okay, never mind. I have no things to make me radiated. I will have my 36 cans back, thank you very much. I am also 15 now. My birthday was, July 25th, 26th, whatever. But, yeah, I thought it was cool. Got my first tattoo. It's pretty radical, bro. Really hoping on Dying Light 2, because I've played Dying Light so many times, and it's, you know, getting a little boring, but there's always stuff I can find up to do. Do you know what? I think Voss from Borderlands, well, not Borderlands, from Far Cry 3, I think that's Ryze's brother, definitely. But I just don't think Ryze knows the definition of insanity. Somebody needs to make a trilogy on that. I mean, because they're both pretty much insane. Ow, I'm sorry. It's, despite being right by the ocean, it is hot as hell here. And it's not great. Oh yeah, my family home alone me. I was sleeping. Hey, no, stop, please. I am really sorry for that, like, red bar in the middle of my screen. That's not actually the game, that is my curtains. Because I used to own black curtains when I'd own these stupid red ones. And it's really hard to do stuff. So I'm trying to, like, video call people and can't even see my fucking face. Probably should stop swearing. It's probably, yeah. Yes. Die. Do you have for me? Oh, nice. You know, I think I'm gonna make a Borderlands 3 video after this. Because it's like this, it's like the anniversary, so Pandora gets double the loot drops, but they're doing like SMGs and class mods right now. And it's insane. It's awesome. Yes. Oh, wait, why am I still walking around? I gotta go to... Oh, yes, I forgot. You know, going to West Tech Research Center. It's right here. Give you a second to look at that. And there we go. Alright, well, here we are at the pencil factory. Or no, at the crayon factories for the Marines. We gotta shut them down. They got a violation. Yeah, there they are. No, please. I have no stim packs. This is not fair. Yeah, so basically, I'm like the stereotypical bloodied build. Low damage, low armor, high damage. Basically glass tank. And you know what? It kind of sucks. Oh my god, I still got Lever. Oh, I got this second account. Okay. I know what I'm doing after this. Probably not much. Reload, please. Is there somebody in there? Yeah, there is. Who's excited for the custom worlds? Okay, you know what? It's kind of... Well, that sucks. Yeah, this is why I made a new account, because this kind of sucks. I hate doing this. I'm probably like, I actually am done with Bloodied build. I thought I'd make a video on this though. I have a lever action build that I'm doing currently. Maybe, probably lever action isn't the best build, or rifleman, but I don't know, it's fun. It's chill, it's laid back. Really? This is very unfortunate. My damage resistance is not good. So, yeah. This has been the two-shot explosive laser rifle. I hope you semi-enjoyed, because I didn't enjoy this. No, this isn't a chore, this kind of sucks. For being level 292, I actually have none of the story done. And my damage resistance is, yeah, 374. Not even close to anywhere good. No, I can't just, never mind, I can't just like cut it off there. Because that's stupid, but this account's stupid, so. Is that bolstering? Okay, it is. It's all bolstering and unyielding, but still, this is so stupid. I miss unnerfed bloodied builds. God, they were strong. I used to, back when it first came out, that Christmas it came out, I got it, and I got a bloodied, I used to run bloodied Deathclaw Gauntlet, and it was so good. The good times, the good times. Yeah. I don't want, so I'm going to high school this year, and I really don't want to. So that's going to suck. And I have 2 other brothers, and I'm going there by myself. So that's going to kind of suck. That's going to be suck. Die, Kami. Okay, yeah, you know what? This has been the 2-shot explosive laser rifle. And, yeah. I will see you people in the next video. Peace.